Hello family, welcome back to the channel, home of the RC community and home of the Patreon that offers the most value out there. Okay, the links for the Patreon as well as the merch will be in the description and in the comments. And I want to thank the individuals that have been purchasing the merch. Okay, it is much appreciated and I hope you like your product when you get it. Okay, so the market has been up and down. Okay, yesterday we had a very red market. Yesterday Bitcoin was at about, I think it was at about, about at 30K. Okay, and now it's at 29K. And I told you that we was going to get a 29K Bitcoin again. Now the good thing about projects like Saitama is that Saitama continued to fight even during the red market that we had yesterday. Now when we had that red market, Saitama was at like 37. Now remember the two red markets before, Saitama was at like the 29s or the 30s. They were fluctuating. Okay, and I told you that Saitama fights during these red markets. And actually, the red market that we had yesterday, Saitama, now Bitcoin was at 29K again. Saitama was supposed to be down near that 29 to that 30 mark. But the thing is, they did not go down. They continued to fight. They were actually up further than they were two red markets ago and two red markets ago. The last two red markets, they're actually up further. Yesterday they were at 37K when Bitcoin was at 29K. Okay, that's crazy. And look, today we're going back up into another green market. And where's Saitama? Saitama is back up at that 3-9 range. So Saitama is becoming real stable right now, and that's what you want to see. You want to see the nice stability, okay, from a project like Saitama. That's what we're banking on. Okay, they're becoming very stable, more stable than a lot of the other projects out there, because like I told you, a lot of those multiple zero projects, they're going to have to do the V2 if they want to become a stable project right now. Okay, so Saitama is doing good. Now, I do notice that a lot of individuals are gearing up to buy. And, and like I said, I know that, some of the investors out there are not looking forward to having less tokens out there, but we got to look at the V2 as, it's what's best for the project, because like I said, without the V2, we will not get catered to. Okay, we would just be forgotten about by the most important entities out there that we depend on to get us where we need to go. Okay, so a lot of individuals, if you notice, not only are they becoming stable, but the community is strong. You're getting a lot of individuals, right, who's buying up. That's part of the reason also why you're seeing a lot of the price bump out there. Okay, and like I said, I think it's every billion is every billion is 1,000, or for every trillion is 1 million or something like that. So you're going to get a lot of price action. A lot of individuals out there and wants that $1 million, they wants that those million tokens. Okay, and the thing is this: for every million you have to think of it like this. All right, for every million you have, Saitama is eligible, okay, to hit a penny and a dollar after this V2. Okay, they become more likely to hit a penny and a dollar after this V2. Okay, so however, a lot of the investors are looking now is that, hey, I got to try to buy up as many millions as I want. Okay, and they're looking at it like this: for every million tokens, that's like $1 million for me. All right, for every million tokens, that's like $1 million. So you're going to get that rush. We're less than 2 weeks away. We're like a week and I think 3 days away. It's on the 30th. But we will be having a V2 migration, a contract migration, and a lot of individuals are going to start buying up. Everybody's trying to gather as many millions as they can. Okay, so if you see a bump in the price action, that's what's going on. I still expect the price action to stay sturdy even after the V2, because we're going to have a lot of the catalysts that are coming out on SAITAMASK Pro. Okay, so just look at it like that. For every million tokens you get, you have to understand that for every million tokens you get, that's like, just look at it as like an extra $1 million for you, okay, when this project hits a penny and hit $1. Because look, Saitama, right, is going to have 2 zeros after the V2. Okay, so just imagine in 2 to 3 years, Saitama is easily going to hit a penny and $1. Okay, so that's $1 million or more for you. All right, just look at it like that. Look at it positive. I told you all. I said, don't worry about the less tokens that you're getting. Think about adding value. Okay, think about adding value to the project. Okay, think of it as a 401k or something like that. Look at it as your retirement plan. Okay, think of it as your 401k. It's better than an actual 401k, because an actual 401k, let me give y'all a gem right here about the 401ks. Them 401ks that y'all invest in at work are trash. It's trash. And this is coming from somebody who knows about his investing. Those 401ks is trash. You know why? Because the thing is this: the higher up entities, they're controlling what stocks your money going to. Your money is going into trash stocks that you don't even know about. Okay, I'm giving y'all a gem right now. I'm telling y'all how weak 401ks are. Your money goes into stocks and bonds, okay, in the 401ks, at the jobs you work at. In those 401ks and bonds, I mean those bonds and those stocks that your money go into are, you know, they're not high stocks. It's not nothing like Johnson & Johnson or who else is in there, or Nike or anything like that. It's off-brand stocks. Okay, this is why when the market crash and when 401ks get affected, that's why your money go all the way down, because you don't have it in nothing like, you know, the four portfolios like the SP or something like that. You don't. And look, I'm saying it like this: if you're going to let individuals, strangers, right, play around with your money like that and put them into stocks, if you know anything about the stock market, you should know what's the best stocks out there. If you're going to let individuals, right, manage your money, that you don't know who's managing your money, where they're putting your money at, okay, what stocks they're putting your money in, you might as well buy the damn stocks yourself. Do it yourself. Stop relying on the higher up entities to take care of us, and you don't even know how they're taking care of you. Okay, I don't know how I even got on this subject, but I'm on it. But yeah, the 401ks are trash. Don't think that you'll get no kind of benefit from a 401k, because you're not, because they're putting your money. Look, I've seen it from family members. I took a deep dive in family members' 401ks, and I was like, what? They put your money here and there, but I'm buying stocks and I'm putting my money in certain other stocks. This is crazy. But they don't tell you this, though. You think you're doing the right thing by investing in 401ks. But anyway, yeah, just look at Saitama as like your 401k or something like that. Okay, and put your, you know, you can do as you please, but add value. All right, so I want to make this video. And remember, okay, every now is history tomorrow. And you either have patience in this crypto investing space, or you lose in the end. All right, outie.